आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Our question is, the line represented by the equation y is equal to minus 2x plus 6 is perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. If A has the coordinates 7, 2, what are the coordinates for B? So our solution will be, firstly we are known that this line, that is y is equal to minus 2x plus 6, is a perpendicular bisector of AB. So if suppose this is line AB, then this line is a perpendicular bisector of AB, that is y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. Suppose if we denote this line by CD, then this is a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means that it makes 90-degree angle with the line AB, and AD is equal to BD. So AD is equal to BD. And we know that slopes of perpendicular lines, their product is equal to minus 1. That is, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slopes is minus 1. So now if we suppose that the slope of line CD is m1 and slope of line AB is m2, then m1 multiplied by m2 is minus 1. So now if we equate this equation by the journal form of the equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the y-intercept of the line. Y-intercept means that the point where it cuts y-axis. So now if we equate both these equations, then we get that the slope of line CD is minus 2. So that is, m1 is minus 2, and if we want to calculate m2, that is the slope of line AB, which is equal to minus 1. So m2 will be equal to half, that is slope of line AB is half. Now journal equation is y is equal to mx plus c. So now if we put the value of the slope here, we get y is equal to x by 2 plus c. And as we know, the coordinates for point A, that is 7, 2. So coordinates for point A is 7, 2. And we are required to find the coordinates of point B. So suppose if we let the coordinates of point B as h, k, then 7, 2 points satisfy the equation of line AB. So 7, 2 lies on AB, so it will satisfy this equation. So if we put the value of x as 7 and y as 2, we get 2 is equal to 7 upon 2 plus c. So c is equal to 2 minus 7 upon 2. So on taking LCM 2, we get 4 minus 7, which is minus 3 by 2. So c becomes minus 3 by 2. So on putting the values of the slope and c in this equation, we get this equation of line AB. So equation of line AB is y is equal to, slope is half, so x by 2 minus 3 by 2. This is the equation which we get. So now we know that point D is the point of intersection of the line CD and AB. And now we know the equation of line CD as well as equation of line AB. So we can calculate their point of intersection, that is point D. So the point of intersection will be, point of intersection, that is point D, can be calculated by solving these two equations, that is y is equal to minus 2x plus 6 and the equation of line AB, which we got as y is equal to x by 2 minus 3 by 2. So y is equal to x by 2 minus 3 by 2, and this equation can be further written as, if we take LCM here 2, then we get 2y is equal to x minus 3. So this is, we will solve these two equations. So now we will put the value of y as minus 2x plus 6 in this equation. So we get 2 times minus 2x plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. So this becomes minus 4x plus 12 is equal to x minus 3. So now shifting all the x terms on one side and constant terms on the other side, we get 12 plus 3 is equal to x plus 4x. So this becomes 15 is equal to 5x. So x becomes 15 upon 5, which is 3. So the x coordinate is 3. So now putting the value of x as 3 in this equation, we get 2y is equal to 3 minus 3, which is 0. So this implies y is equal to 0. So the point of intersection is 3, 0. So that is the coordinates of point D is 3, 0. And now we know that the CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So therefore AD is equal to DB. So AD is equal to DB. And we know the distance between the 2 points is given by the distance formula. That is, distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So now AD has 2 points. The distance between A and D is the line segment AD, and the distance between D and B is the line segment DB. So we will calculate the lengths and they will be equal according to the given question, that is CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So now we know the coordinates of all these 3 points, that is 7, 2, 3, 0, and we have denoted this as h, k. So now AD will be, point A is 7, 2, D is 3, 0, and B we have denoted as h, k. So AD will be under root of x2 minus x1, that is 7 minus 3 square plus 2 minus 0 square, which is equal to under root of h minus 3 square plus k minus 0 square. And now on squaring both sides, we get 7 minus 3 square plus 2 square is equal to h minus 3 square plus k square. So now solving it further, we get this becomes 7 minus 3, 4. 4 square is 16 plus 4, which is equal to h minus 3 square plus k square. This becomes 20 is equal to h minus 3 square plus k square. And now we know that h, k lies on AB. And equation of AB was 2y is equal to x minus 3. So now hk will satisfy this equation. So we put the value of x as h and k as y. So we will get 2k is equal to h minus 3. So therefore k is equal to h upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. So putting the value of k here, we get 20 is equal to h minus 3 square plus h by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square. So now 20 is equal to h minus 3 whole square. Now if we take 2 LCM here, then h minus 3 upon whole 2 square, this is equal to 20 is equal to h minus 3 whole square. And if we take 2 outside the bracket, then we get 1 upon 4 h minus 3 whole square. So now taking h minus 3 whole square common from this term, we get 20 is equal to h minus 3 whole square bracket 1 plus 1 by 4. So now 20 is equal to h minus 3 whole square, and this becomes 5 by 4. So now 5 by 4 will shift to the left hand side and will be divided. So it will be reciprocal. So this becomes multiplied by 4 by 5, which is equal to h minus 3 whole square. So 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 is equal to h minus 3 whole square. So now on taking square root both the sides, we get h minus 3 is equal to plus minus 4. So now h has two values, that is h is equal to 4 plus 3 or h is equal to minus 4 plus 3, that is h is equal to 7 or h is equal to -1. So now if h is equal to 7, then the value of k will be, we will put the values of h here and find the values of k. That is, if value of h is 7, then the value of k will be, k is h by 2 minus 3 by 2. So now k is equal to 7 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So now one point we have got as 7 comma 2. So now the other point will be k is equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2, and the other point is minus 1 comma minus 2. So we have got the 2 points of B, that is 7 comma 2 and minus 1 comma minus 2. But now we know that the coordinates of point A are 7 comma 2. So this value of point B cannot be possible because the point A is 7 comma 2. So hence the coordinates of point B are minus 1 comma minus 2, and this is our answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।